Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really cool that I want to share with you, and that is Notion AI. Now, I bet you're asking, why do we talk about Notion on this channel? Well, I use Notion every single day. I use it in my content creation, my productivity, even my creative production ideas, my client notes all go in Notion. And if you'd like to check out my Notion template for music creatives, I've got a video right up here that I will link. And you can check that out, download that template, you're ready to go. That is specially designed for music creatives. But today, I want to talk about the newest feature that has just been released from Notion, and that is their Notion AI. If you're not familiar with AI, that is artificial intelligence. And this thing is going to be a game changer in 2023. Now, why is it going to be a game changer for music creatives? Because it is your new co-writing friend. Now, I know that there are some other artificial co-writing softwares out there, but this one's free. So I've got a songwriting page here that I have on my Notion dashboard. You can just stick this into your existing one, into the Notion template if you have that downloaded, and just click on one of your free spaces here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up all the way, and we don't have to title it right now. What I want to focus on is how this is set up. So again, you'll just hit the / and then once you have the AI assist turned on, this is in alpha now, and so I'm able to test that out. I'm not sure if everybody gets it, but if you sign up for Notion, if you already have Notion, just go in there and request to use it. And so you'll hit the dash there, and the first thing that comes up now is the AI assist. And so I want to hit more. And so you've got so many options here. I mean, I've been trying this out for a couple of weeks now, and it's freaking amazing what it can do. And maybe this isn't the first AI in writing. It probably isn't, since it's on Notion, but it's free. And it's really been helping me create songs, create stories. You've got a creative story right here above poem, but let's take a look at poem first. And I want to show you how I've been using this as a co-writing system. So I'm going to hit poem. Now, I don't know, what should we talk about? It's telling you right here, it says, well, what do you want to write a poem about? For example, a whimsical poem about finding meaning in ordinary things. Okay, that's cool, but I don't want to hear a song about that. So what would I want to hear a song about? I don't know. How about and there you go. I mean, I'm not gonna read this all, but you can take a look, pause the video. It's not that bad, right? Now, maybe you don't want to use this whole thing. Probably not. But there's some cool lines in here. I mean, the beauty of the southern sky, the stars above, like that's kind of cool. Like you can take these, so you can take like whatever lines, you can take each of these, move them around. I can even take just this line here. I can cut that, I can move it, and start writing from there. And now, so I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna come down here, and I'm gonna do the AI assist again. If that was like if there was a line in there that I really wanted to focus on, and then write the song around that, well then take that line, put it in here, and there you go. A masterpiece of nature's art. The stars in the night we can't hide, a sight that never depart. I mean, there's just really cool lines in here. And this right here has just been shooting off creativity like sparks like fireworks. And I just love it so much. Now, another way that this is good for songwriting is to go up here and go to the creative story. And I just had like this idea, this story of a song about, you know, having answers to secrets that we don't know, and in an orchard. And I just type all those little ideas into the box, and then it comes up with some like really cool stuff. And then you can go and highlight certain things that you like, and then really put that together. It's basically co-writing. It's how you co-write with someone anyways. And you bounce ideas off of each other. And if you don't have someone to co-write with, this is a good way to get familiar with co-writing, and also so that you don't show up to co-writes in person with a blank sheet of paper. You can always come up with an idea. This really helps with that decision fatigue, creative blocks. I know that's so triggering to hear for some people, writer's block. But I mean, if I can't go any further with a story or even come up with an idea, then yeah, I am being blocked. So I just think this is going to be one of the coolest tools to use for music creatives. And it's all saved here. I didn't have to write it down and lose it or save it onto my computer and take up memory. Like, Notion is just saving things for us, and I can do it on here, and then I can take it to my iPad or on my phone. Like, it's always there with us no matter what, so we can always stay creative. We're always going to capture our thoughts and our song ideas. We're not going to lose them, and they're all right here. We can, like I said, easily move them around however we want. If that part of the story needed to go somewhere else, then we can move it. So if this is something that you're interested in, go ahead, check out that Notion template that I have available, and once you get that downloaded, then it can kind of all be set up for you. But if you just want to start for free, sign up for Notion, and you can literally just start with a blank page and then start writing. Make you some files, save it, make a list. It's very simple, straightforward for you. And I mean, let's just check it out. Like, you can write sales emails here. There's a press release. So your electronic artist packages, like, you can try that out. You've got essays, a creative story, your outlines, a social media post. I mean, how incredible is that? Let's just look at this real quick, and I'll show you. So let's say our band is performing at the Ryman tonight. And there you go. Like, you don't even have to come up with your hashtags. It's all right there. This is going to be a game changer in 2023, so I hope that you'll go ahead and download that. Don't forget, you can check out the other Notion video that I have if you're interested in that, or just sign up for Notion. I hope it's there. It may still be in its for those that have been in Notion for a little while, but I got on the waiting list, and it only took about a week to then get this and start checking it out. So make sure that you sign up for Notion today. This is not a sponsored video by any means. I've been using Notion for about 3 years now, and it has everything that I need. I literally run my business off of this for planning, content creation. It's my scheduling, my task, my creative side, songwriting, all of it, all in one dashboard. You can set it up, customize it however you feel that will be most beneficial to you. So anyways, just wanted to show you what I believe is going to be a game changer for songwriting in 2023, and that's Notion AI Assist. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any other videos that I release. It's totally free to do that. I've also got a free gift for you down there in the description. First thing right there is my 21 best mixing tips, and it's all there in PDF form for you to download. Keep on your computer, put right into your Notion if you want, or print that out so you can reference back to if you're looking for any sort of beneficial mixing tips. All right, y'all, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.